So, Maxforce Gummies are basically marketed as a male wellness supplement designed to support things like stamina, energy, confidence, libido, and overall performance. The marketing sounds impressive, but there's a pretty important detail to keep in mind. The biggest issue is that the product hasn't been independently clinically studied as a complete formula. Some versions list ingredients like L-arginine, tribulus, saw palmetto, and tongkat oli, but research on individual ingredients doesn't prove that the finished gummies will deliver the same results. I'd also be cautious with the customer reviews. There are only a handful of reviews on some Trustpilot listings, so that's not enough independent feedback to establish how effective the product really is. So, are Maxforce Gummies worth buying? I wouldn't expect dramatic results based purely on the marketing. Check the exact ingredients and dosages, company information, independent evidence, and return policy before spending your money. Overall, the gummy format is convenient, but convenience doesn't equal effectiveness. If you're looking for help with a specific sexual health or performance problem, it's better to understand the underlying issue rather than assuming a supplement will fix it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.